Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how often you should reapply sunscreen and why. So in last week's video, which if you want to watch, you can click the eye on the top of the screen or click the link in the description box below. I spoke about the two main types of sun protectants. The first one being a sunblock or a physical sunscreen, which has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, and the second one being a sunscreen or a chemical sunscreen, which has all these chemicals in it, which I'm not even going to bother pronouncing in this video. So as I mentioned in the other video, with a physical sunscreen you don't have to reapply it. However, if you are doing water activities such as swimming, it's going to wash off because it just sits on the surface of your skin and it doesn't get absorbed. So that's pretty easy to remember. Once you come out or once you're done swimming, you just have to reapply the physical sunscreen. If you're using a chemical sunscreen with, let's say, an SPF of 30, you may think that it will protect you for 30 minutes and then you have to reapply after 30 minutes. Or maybe at the back of the bottle of the sunscreen it may say you have to reapply after every 2 to 3 hours, right? I'm here to tell you that's wrong. Unfortunately, you have to do a bit of math because why would life want to be simple? But all you have to do is see in how many minutes does your skin get sunburnt without any sunscreen on it. Let's say you get a sunburn in 10 minutes without sunscreen. So you're going to take the 10 minutes and you're going to multiply it by the SPF number, which let's say in this case is 30. So you're going to multiply 10 with 30 and you get 300, which is 300 minutes or 5 hours. So you'll have to reapply your sunscreen after every 5 hours. However, let's say your friend gets a sunburn in 5 minutes. So you're going to take 5 minutes, multiply it by 30 and you'll get 150, which is 2.5 hours. So your friend's gonna have to apply the sunscreen after every 2.5 hours. So since everyone's burn time is a little bit different, everyone's reapplying time will be different as well. So an easy way to remember this is you multiply your burn time in minutes with the SPF number, and that is how often you should be reapplying your sunscreen. So I hope this video helped you guys better understand how often you should be reapplying your sunscreen. And if you're wondering what I was talking about earlier about physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen, you can click the video right here to watch that. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by my birthday on January 2nd, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.